Let's move on to Ford. It was another trender here today. Ford raising the price of the F-150 Lightning Pro for the fourth time in the last year. Pras Subramanian here with the details. Pras, shares up at, about 2% today, so at least the street a bit encouraged by this, maybe help with some of the costs?
Yeah, I guess the street isn't concerned about sticker shock here for people who want to get this F-150 Lightning. But yeah, you mentioned 4 price hikes here. So today they opened up the order books for the next batch of reservation holders, and then with that new pricing, so that Ford Pro base model went up $4,000 to $61,900-ish dollars there. It originally started at $42,000, right? So that's $20,000 in price hikes over the last year. Went from 42 to 48.9 to 53.7 to now 61.9. So really sort of hiking that base level up a lot. The more expensive Lariat and premium or platinum trims went up a couple grand here and there, but it's really this base model that went up significantly, because you got to say this is the cheap model was supposed to be a loss leader, and they just can't keep up with the losses, it seems.
Wow. Okay. Tesla, obviously the leader in the space. What can you tell us about Tesla's solar roof systems?
Yeah, the solar applications, the solar products have been sort of a mystery for Tesla. They bought Solar City with a lot of fanfare many years ago, and everyone thought they would be ramping up their installations. And new research from the group Wood Mackenzie talks about how back in 2019, Tesla said they want to install 1,000 roofs a week. They've only installed 22 roofs a week last year. So it's a significant...
22 total or 22 per week?
22 per week.
Okay.
Compared to goals of 1,000 per week, right?
Yeah.
So what's going on here?
Exactly. So how would they in the world ever ramp up some of those installs to reach that type of goal? I mean, how many years out could we potentially be?
I think the bigger question is that maybe they don't want to. The question is, what does Tesla want to do with their solar business? Mm-hmm. We thought we'd hear more about that at the Investor Day, and they didn't say anything about it, other than the fact that solar is a cheap way to collect, green energy. So the question is, do they have a new product coming out? Are they going to roll out a new product? And that's why they're pulling back on some of these installations. They've canceled installations. They're funding people's money. So the question is, what's happening? And we have no clarity as to what they're doing with the solar business. And right now, 22 a week is nothing, really.
Yeah, certainly. All right, look at Tesla's stock. Not moving much today, obviously, because maybe we're just waiting for some news on what exactly the plans are with that. Pras, thanks so much.